All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still doing our malaria confusion matrix module. I do have three new generated images that I want to show you guys. First one here is going to call us casual. It's about 3 minutes. Like I said, they're a minute apiece on the slideshow, so it's going to take about 3 minutes to get through it before I show you what we did today inside the malaria course. Like I said, this one is called casual. I just kept it normal to see what it looked like if we just added some normal features, normal background, normal setting, normal environment. You can see the people back here. It's like a city environment. Normal outfit, casual hair, casual look. Came out pretty good. I don't see too many defects. I don't see any defects at all actually on this one. So like the process is getting better and better. The hair looks proportioned. You can see that there. Nothing wrong with that. This one here we call Warrior. I like the one this one came out. It cut off some of the sword hair down at the bottom. It was supposed to be a full picture, but everything else still came out good. The armor and everything, the flame. I initially put it as a flaming sword, but it only made the hilt flame. So whatever, win is a win. It still came out good. I don't see any flaws with this one. This one came out pretty good. Captured everything pretty nice. Got the cape flowing. I didn't add the cape to the prompt. I guess it just added it to itself, to the prompt that I gave it. This is a Ronin. Ronin, what do you call this here? Ronin armor. So I guess that's what Ronin is wore in the battle. I didn't know they wore capes, but it is. And we have one more coming up. This one should be passing soon, and then we can get to the confusion matrix. And this third one here, I like this one. This frontal shot here. You can see it made the hilt flaming, the sword, flames in the background, the Ronin armor. This one came out pretty good. I think this is the best one so far. The hands came out good in this one. 4 fingers, one thumb. 4 fingers, one thumb. No extra appendages, no extra ligaments. Face is good. Crown is good. Hair is good. Armor is good. Everything's good. I probably do this every day, moving forward. Just tinker with it as we move forward, just little by little, just to refine my skills and take it from there. But anyway, back to the confusion matrix course. We did run our compilations that we needed to run, and we're gonna go over that right now. First, we're gonna start. So, after printing out our labels, we see that we have our labels for our outputs. Now let's convert it into a simpler form where we only have the values of the outputs returned and not the arrays. So this is the original right here with the arrays and the outputs. So we simplified that. Come to this PowerShell here, you can see now we just have the shape here. The shape is down here, 111 dot 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 111. That's the shape. Like again, remember the ones and the zeros indicate either it's going to be parasitic or uninfected. So yeah, I didn't see any uninfected so far, but whatever. That's that one. So we got that one done. Now, in order to perform this task, we will have labels equal to end up. I'm just going over the process of how we did it. It's nothing new. So we're always going to take the element and from the array, blah, blah, blah. Now we will print out the labels again, and after transforming it, we did that there. Now we go to the second process. Now we have our labels. We can move ahead and work on our predicted values. To get the predicted values, we have our Linnet model.predict. What we're going to pass into the predicted model is our input. We'll initialize the input right under the labels empty list as an empty list also. C195. That's how we did that here. We have our empty list right here. Then we input.append.x. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with that. We also do the same thing we did for the labels with our pen. I did that already a bit. And now we'll run this. So we ran it and give you this here. As you can see here, this is our input here. This is our input. Everything that came back. So this is the item number. This is the actual shape of the item. And this is all the input information here. And it says, notice we get back the item number plus the shape. For example, I just picked one out here. So this is the item number 2742. The shape is none. We have 224 by 224 by 3. So it's giving us back because remember we have 2,757 items. So it gave us back every one of them. That's why it's so big. The file is so big, and it's not going to bring back all of them at once. So it cut it off again for some reason. I guess because it's so big, like I said, over 2,000. So yeah, that's just it gave back every item and the shape of every item. So you see here, we starting from 1,051, even though it's supposed to start from 0. It can't fit inside the terminal. So yeah. and start from 1051. So it's the item number and the shape, and that's what we have here. So we got the labels. Now we ready for the predictions. That's what we're gonna start doing next. I'm not gonna start running that now. We did start writing the code for it, so I will do that overnight, and then we will update you guys tomorrow on how that went. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.